Add features to Kendis Board. Kendis has a bi-directional integration with Azure DevOps. Making a change in Kendis will instantly appear in Azure DevOps. And vice versa. For example, creating a new story in Azure DevOps will show up in Kendis instantly. However, when a feature is added to your query criteria in ADO, it doesn't show up in Kendis, which is by design. On this board, we have 24 features. But when we look at the Azure DevOps query, it shows 28 features. To add those additional features to the board, click on the bell icon and select Check Filter Changes. Click on the button Check for New Features from Azure DevOps. Kendis will run a comparison and show you the list of features that are part of the Azure DevOps query, but still need to be added to the Kendis board. Checkboxes next to these features are clicked, and unselect the option if a feature shouldn't be added to the board. Click on the Update Board button, and features will be added to the board. This process will run in the background, and once it's completed, a small notification will appear to ask you to refresh the board to view these new features. Resync Board is another option to check for changes in the query and add them to the board. However, it is a long process as it will update each and every item on the board from Azure DevOps. Option shown earlier through bell icon is an instant way to add features to the board. For more details, check out help.kendis.io.